Alright, just for the hell of it, I kind of wanted to show you how to test these things, because I got the tools to do it, and you just hook up this handheld vacuum pump I got the one from Blue Point, to that nozzle. Now, what happens under boost is you have a bunch of pressure down here, because that's on the intercooler side, and that'll have the same amount of pressure, I believe, when you're in full boost, so this valve won't close, or open, I mean. So what happens when you let go of the throttle, a vacuum is created. So you could think of this side will have negative pressure, this side will have positive pressure, and the diaphragm will actually pull the valve in there up and release that air pressure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pump this, and first I'll do it just to show you where I'm at. So around 20. You can actually see that the valve is lifted. You can see through it now. Now I'll continue pumping it. And you see? That's how far the valve opens. So now, if you look, you can see right through it. Now the blow-off valves that make the noise, all they do is instead of venting this back in to the intake, it'll just put it out to atmosphere. That's all that little valve does. And then I'm going to release the pressure. You'll see how it just closes, and then pump it back up. See how it starts to move. Every time you let go of the throttle under boost, this opens. So hope that helps you understand how these things work a little better.